Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably Audi. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.